Seriously, we need more companies to work on biodegradable products. So let's be honest, there are a lot of push to eliminate plastic bags, or at least in many cities in North America, in Europe, I think even other countries around the world, many countries, they are doing. You need to pay extra for plastic bags, but let's be honest, a lot of people, most of us, still pay extra money to get plastic bags. This being said, the total amount of plastic bags just isn't reduced that much. We are still using that because it's really convenient. Compared to plastic bags, the paper bags, it's just not robust. For example, if you buy bread, if you buy a lot of breads and you're holding your paper bags, if it's raining outside, when those paper bags got wet, it just break, it just collapse. So it's really not robust. And not to mention, what if your items in your bags is too heavy, the paper bags you will just directly break. So it's not good. It's not robust. How can we solve that? So far, most people still choose to use plastic bags, even they cost then like 15 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents more. They still don't care. I mean, most of us don't care. I personally rather pay for that. But that's not good for our Earth. So how can we solve that problem? Is to develop certain kind of bags. They has a strength of plastic bags, but it's friendly to the Earth. So it's biodegradable. There are some companies, some startups start to looking at these things, but I still think there's too few of them. There's maybe not enough incentive for them to do that. So that's why the governments need to chime in to provide some incentives like what we are doing for electric vehicles. But I still don't think enough of efforts to making that happen. So that's why I think if you are an entrepreneur and thinking about building some future startup, building a startup, this is a good direction to go. In fact, there are some news, some companies, they are working on that and they raise certain amount of funding. Still very early, very small markets, but because of it's early, that's a good chance for you to really work on to build out your niche, to build out your core technology, so that you can really be like first mover. That will be very advantageous for you. Maybe you want to research the market, but I just want to encourage more people to develop this, to kind of do this kind of things. It's really good. It's if you really want your future to be better, this is one of the really way that you could really take action. All right. So that's just my rant. That's just my idea, my thinking about around these things. We need to do better because just by banning plastic bags, they just won't really solve the problem, because banning plastic bags is not pragmatic. The pragmatic thing to do is to develop a better, more robust, biodegradable products. Alright, that's all for today. If you would like to receive more technology reviews, don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I will see you next time.